Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to create a custom network to connect with the microservices. Okay. Previous we saw about how to link the links to the microservice to services, right? To generating our network, and we are able to connection with between that two links, and then we established for that links, right? Now in this video also we'll see for how we can able to establish the networks. Basically, if you open this one command prompt, if you see Docker network ls, if you hit this, there are two networks are will be presented mainly. Okay, one is bridge and another one is host. These are the two main things, and another one is unknown. Unknown by default we cannot able to use, but we can able to use two bridges, two things. One is bridge and another one is host. But host, if you are using for Docker desktop, you cannot able to use for host directly because it will work on Linux network systems like OSS, and Mac and Windows it will not be work as expected. Okay, for this you can able to create your custom network and use that custom network, and you can able to create it. How to create your custom network? The same one we can able to use for up to network. Okay, and here you can able to use for create, and then you can able to provide any name of that network. Okay, I'm going to use for currency because we are using for currency, right? And iPhone and network, this is the currency network. Okay, now you can able to see a list. You can able to see there is one more thing, it is created network, but you can see the driver is becoming bridge only. The currency network with communicate with this bridge and it will work as expected. This is the driver bridge, and this is the name of the bridge. Okay, and here directly bridge is by default bridge only, default one, and you can able to create your custom bridges how many you want. There is no limitation for that particular things. Okay, how you can able to run now? Okay, the same commands which we are used for naming as exchange, and then we can able to use here. From here hyphen space hyphen network equal to, and here you can able to use for currency currency network currency network. This is your currency network. Okay, then can copy this one and using here cmd, and again I'm going to maximize this one and I'm going to paste it here and hit this server. Okay, currency again. Okay, docker container, remove a1 fc. Now I removed, and then you can run again. But now still wait 1 minute because it will take some time to launch everything. Now enabling, and the services started, the currency services, exchange services. Open here, and here you can refresh. See, now still I can able to connect with the services. Okay, without any issue. Now again we need to use for the same thing which is we are used for here, same currency exchange, and I can able to use this particular puts, and I can go ahead here the currency space, and here I can paste it. Okay, now here also same thing which you are going to use for currency conversion, also the same network, because if both are different network, maybe it will not work as expected. Due to that we need to create for same network bridge. Okay, previous we used for bridge to connect it to that, but now we are going to use for our own custom network creations. Okay, and cmd opening, and here I'm going to hit this one. Okay, now again we can hit, it is presented docker container remove 7097, and again hitting. Okay, now you can see, now again we can wait couple of minutes because currency conversion also need to be start up and running. then only we can able to reload that page. Now starting at the entry point dynamically, okay, enabling the default and ports, okay. Now Tomcat server port is 810 with the it is started, okay. Now 8100 is started. Now we can go ahead here and refresh it. Now see, again we can able to connect it, okay. Like this we can able to create. If you see for another here, the connection is currency network, okay. By using the currency network we can able to see, okay. If you go for container list, if you run now you can see here there is a container id. These are the container id. These are the two things like currency exchange and conversions. This is the commands and this is the created and this is the status and this is the ports and this is the name of the currencies, okay. You can able to see which is up and running right now in the currencies. What all the things containers are running right now, those things we can able to see. This is a my current currency network. This is a my custom bridge we created, okay. Like this we can able to create n number of networks and we can able to reuse, okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.